Well, as it turns out, I had another flat 2 weeks later. This time a staple went in it, so that's my fault, not the tire fault. But I just wanted to show you this one little thing. Somebody had commented on it. It's easy to take it off and not know what it is. It's this right here, right? This. It goes behind the frame. It slips down into the frame. And when you're putting it on, you notice there's flats on both sides of this axle. So the flats go in first. Well, the flats go in. So that's where that goes. The other thing is, if you got any confusion about the chain, how it goes back on, it's very simple. All you do is, the chain, you just pull that down a little, give you some slack in the chain, and you just drop the wheel in. So the wheel just goes, the wheel sits on top of the chain. So anyhow, hope it helps you. Let me show you a couple more things, because it is confusing when you take it off if you don't really know where these things came from. When you're putting it on right now, I'm on the chain side. This little thing, this goes on first, and there's a hole down here, right there. So that goes over. Then you take the little screw that goes in there, and you put that in. What that does is I guess it holds the wheel on. Yeah, it stops the wheel from actually coming off, because that goes around this goes around the axle, and then that bolts onto the frame, so the wheel can't fall off. All right, next you put this bracket on. This bracket just protects the gears and stuff back there, and that would go facing up. So that just goes on like that. Then you got your two washers. Now you got two washers, and you got that. So I don't think I can do that with one hand without it falling off. But anyhow, you get the idea. So that's the complete assembly with it, where all the parts go. All right, I hope this helps you. If it does, consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up. Thanks.